Greetings everyone. Today, I am delighted to show you how to make full use of a tape measure. The measurements on length is noted on the tool, so please use this length directly for measuring instead of calling the string. The convex screw at the front end of the tape measure is used to secure screws. The pen can be mounted on a tape measure with a clip to be used as a compass. To accurately measure something that needs to be wrapped, avoid wrapping directly with the tape measure. Instead, wrap it with the strip first, and then measure the length of the strip using the tape measure for greater accuracy. Measure metals easily by attaching a magnet to the end of the measuring tool.